friends. Now we're going to work on list 4. I'm going to say the word 3 times. We're going to talk about the sounds that each letter makes in each word and put it together. And I'm going to use the word in a sentence. So follow along. Our first word is like. Like. And this word follows the magic E rule. So the I is going to say I. The L just says L. And the K says K. Like. And the E is silent. A sentence we could use is, I really like my teacher. The next word is will. In this word, the W says w, the I says I, and the L just says one sound, ooh, ooh, will. A sentence we could use is, I will do my homework. The next word is went. Went. The W says, the E says the N says n, the T says t, went. A sentence we could use is, it was fun when we went to the Children's Museum on a field trip. The next word is now. Now. The N says n, the O says the W says n, w. A sentence we could use is, now it is time for lunch. The next word is came. This is a magic E word, so the A is going to say A, and the E will be silent. Came. A sentence we could use is, it was fun when my friends came over to my house. The next word is into. Into. The I says I, the N says n, the T says t, and the O says oo, not ah. A sentence we could use is, when we walk into the class, we should get our book boxes. The next word is want. Want. The W says w, the A says not the N says n, the T says t, want. A sentence we could use is, I really want that ice cream cone. The next word is pretty. Pretty. The P says P, the R says R, the E says I, the TT just says T, and the Y says E, because sometimes at the end of the word, Y can say E. E, pretty. A sentence we could use is, she is wearing a pretty dress. Next word is saw. The S says, and the AW is what we call a diphthong, and it says aw, not well, it says aw. A sentence we could use is, I saw my teacher at a restaurant. The next word is ran. Ran. The R says R, the A says the N says n, And a sentence we could use is, I ran fast in PE class. The next word is this. The TH says th, the I says I, and the S says this. And a sentence we could use is, this is the best year ever. The next word is yes. Yes. The Y says y, the E says the S says yes. And a sentence we could use is, yes, I can do it. The next word is R. The AR, that's a bossy R word, so it says R and the E is silent. R. A sentence we could use is, my friends are kind. The next word is no. No. The N says N, the O says O, because it's an open syllable and the O can run away. No. A sentence we could use is, my teacher said, no shoving in line. The next word is ride. Ride, ride, ride. And this is a magic E word, so the I is going to say I, and the E is going to be silent. Ride, ride. A sentence we could use is, it is fun to go on a hay ride in the fall. The next word is good. Good, good, good. In this word, the G says good, the O says and the D says d. D. A sentence we could use is, I will do a good job on my writing. Next word is two. Two, two, two. The T says t. The O says ooh in this word. T. Ooh. A sentence we could use is, I would like a green popsicle too. It's not the kind of two like I have 2 pencils or I'm going to the store. It's you want something too, or you are going to go there too. The next word is four. Four, four, four. The F says f. The O-U-R says or, and the U is kind of silent, so or. A sentence we could use is, I have 4 people in my family. The next word is well. Well, well, well. The W says w, the E says eh, the L says ul, the LL says ul, just one sound. Ul. A sentence we could use is, my teacher said we did very well today. And the last word is brown. Brown, brown, brown. The B says b, the R says r, the W says ow, and the N says n, b, r, own. And the sentence we could use is, my dog is brown. Nice job, friends.